The Primens Rechargeable Dog Nail Grinder is a cordless and rechargeable nail grinder that is designed to make trimming your dog's nails easier and safer. It features a diamond bit grinder that is gentle on your dog's nails and helps prevent overgrinding or crushing of the nails. The grinder has 3 speed settings, which allows you to adjust it to the appropriate speed for your dog's nails and comfort level. One of the key features of this dog nail grinder is its rechargeable battery. The battery provides up to 4 hours of use on a single charge, which can be convenient if you have multiple dogs or if you don't want to have to replace batteries frequently. The grinder also comes with a USB charging cable, which can be plugged into a computer or wall adapter. The Primens Rechargeable Dog Nail Grinder is also designed with safety in mind. It has a safety guard that helps prevent overgrinding and protects your dog's nail bed from accidental nicks or cuts. The grinder is also quiet and low vibration, which can help keep your dog calm and relaxed during the trimming process. Overall, the Primens Rechargeable Dog Nail Grinder is a high-quality and convenient tool for trimming your dog's nails. Its rechargeable battery, adjustable speed settings, and safety features make it a great option for pet owners who want to safely and effectively trim their dog's nails at home. However, it's worth noting that some dogs may not be comfortable with the sound or sensation of a nail grinder, so it's important to introduce the tool slowly and gradually to help your dog get used to it.